a palette I would really choose. Going to be very interesting. Hi, welcome to this video. We're testing these Paul Rubens watercolours. There's a little chart, very neon, not my usual palette at all, but I've had some good fun with them actually. I thought the paints were pretty good, it's just the choice of colours were not really something I would have gone for. And I've used my sketch from Life, using oil sticks on Christmas Day as my reference, and this is on that gold line watercolour paper, £90 I think it is. I've just taped it to this board, just used a couple of different brushes, and I used an old plate for my palette, and yeah, let's see how we got on, let's see how we did it. Right, so that's our palette laid out. There's our opera yellow, which is there, so we've gone that way, like that. So that's what we made of it. Quite good fun actually. Yeah, like I said before, not my usual palette, but good fun nonetheless, and worth a try. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.